All right, number 21. Negative 210 degrees times pi over 180. Negative 21 pi over 18. Both divisible by 3. Negative 7 pi over 6. 22. 235 degrees times pi over 180 degrees. 235 pi over 180. 5 is going to go into both of those. 5 is going to go into that 4 times, 47 times. 5 is going to go into that 36 times. And that's going to be it. 23. Negative 310 times pi over 180. Negative 310 pi over 180 cancels is negative 31 pi over 18. 24. Negative 140 times pi over 180. Negative 14 pi over 18. Negative 7 pi over 9. 25. Negative 230 degrees times pi over 180 degrees. Negative 23 pi over 18. 26. 170 degrees times pi over 180. Hopefully you got so bored with this that you actually got good at it. 17 pi over 18. I know it's redundant, but that's what we're doing. Okay, so solve the equation for 0 to 2 pi. That just means solve the equation. Oh man, I sure hope these are easy. Okay, 27. I'm gonna need my unit circle for sure. 27, 3 over 5 times the tangent of theta equals square root of 3 over 5. I'm gonna multiply by 5/3, so I'm gonna get tangent of theta equals the square root of 3 over 3. Multiplying this by 5/3 cancels that, and multiplying this by 5/3 cancels that, and it becomes square root of 3 over 3. So I'm going to think about on my unit circle, where's the tangent square root of 3 over 3? Remember that your tangent is your sine divided by cosine. So here the cosine is the square root of 3 over 2, and the sine is 1/2. So 1/2 times 2 over the square root of 3 is going to be the square root of 3 over 3. This is the square root of 3 over 3 for the tangent. This is 1 for the tangent. This is the square root of 3 for the tangent. So I want this one, and I'm also going to want this one, because that's going to be negative square root of 3 over 2 and negative 1/2, which is going to give me this as well. So this value right here is pi over 6, and this is 7 pi over 6. 28. 4 plus the tangent of theta equals 4. I'm going to subtract 4. Tangent of theta equals 0. So that's where the sine is 0. Sine is 0 right here and right here. So that's going to be 0 pi here, and then pi, and then 2 pi. So it actually gets 3 values. 29. Negative 5 plus the cotangent, which is the tangent, the flipped of the tangent, equals negative 5. I'm going to add 5. Cotangent of theta equals 0. So that's really the tangent of theta equals undefined, because 0 over 1 is 1 over 0 is undefined. So where is the tangent undefined? It's undefined right here because I'm dividing by 0, and right here because I'm dividing by 0. Is that right? Yes. So that's going to be pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2. Number 30. 2 square root of 3 equals 6 cotangent of theta. There's a lot of tangents on here. Divide by 6. So 2 square roots of 3 over 6 is really the square root of 3 over 3 equals the cotangent of theta. So the tangent of theta equals 3 over the square root of 3. I'm going to rationalize that denominator by multiplying by a variation of 1. Gives me the tangent of theta equals 3 square root of 3 over 3, which is the square root of 3. So looking at that circle again, unit circle, square root of 3 right here, and it's also going to be right here, which this is pi over 3, pi over 3, and this one down here is going to be 4 pi over 3. So that's it. Start another one.